Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air. Got some great options, like power windows and power top. Beautiful color combination. Runs and drives fantastic. It's collector owned. He's owned this car for a little over 15 years. Came out of Las Vegas. Beautiful straight body. Been completely restored. Sitting on wide whites. Gorgeous chrome, stainless and paint. The 54s are definitely coming a little bit harder to find. This chrome is just stunning. Straight six under the hood with a Powerglide. Fire it up for you. Power seat. Showing 39,733 miles. Battery's a little bit low. We'll have that all charged up. Seat belts all the way around. Interior is very correct. This was restored to factory specs. Power seat works. Windows are also in great shape. They're power. All the chrome and stainless around them is fantastic. The rubbers are really nice on this car. No rust or anything to worry about. Top's also in fantastic shape. All the chrome and everything around the windows is beautiful too. Show you under the hood. Straight six under the hood. Runs fantastic. These motors are very reliable. They run great. Really good on gas. Nice and light up front. And run cool. As you can see, this one's totally built to factory specs. a spare jack and all the tools in the trunk. I'll bring the top up for you. It's really nice to have power windows in this car. There it goes. Top is white, goes very well with the car. Beautiful condition. There's actually not many miles on the restoration on this car. There we go. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.